Hello mga Madiskarteng Tatay. This time, I'm gonna show you to install the gutter. Okay? Samahan niyo ako. Una, gumawa ko ng binutasan ko ito. Ito yung sukat. Ito yung sinukatan ko. Tapos, kinagrind ko lang yan. Yung pang metal na grinder. Ito pang metal, pwede palitan ng pang tiles ito. Grinder ito. Okay, ngayon i-touch na natin ito para lalagyan ng downspout. Okay, ang una, lagyan natin ng silicone para i-seal natin. Hindi tatagos ang tubig. Okay. Tapos natin yan, screw natin. Ito maliit na screw, maiksi, pang metal din. Okay. Ang silicone na gagamitin niyo pang outdoor at saka waterproof, para sigurado tayong hindi mag-leak. Balik ka rin natin. Ayan yung itsura niya. Ayan, nakaseal talaga siya. Okay lang yan, nakausli yung gusto nyo, puputulin nyo, pero sa akin tubig lang naman ang dadaan dyan. Hindi naman nakasagabal itong screw. Ngayon, ikakabit na natin sa taas. Okay, you're gonna install this. You should have your screw ready. And you need like this, the gutter holder. Just like that. You can screw here in the gutter. This hook here is holding the gutter. And you need to elevate. You're gonna do, just elevate this. Of course, the water goes over to the end there. And this one is higher. That's it. And then the second screw somewhere here. See, it's elevated. Okay. Maganda if you're gonna use the leveling stop bar. Makikita naman niyo, parang common sense ba? Gusto mo papuntang tubig doon, ibaba mo ka ng konti doon. Dito yung pinakamataas. Ganyan lang. Okay. Okay, one more day. To the end. It's look good. Done. And then we're gonna make a seal there. The end, the other side. You can put a silicone or gutter sealer. just to make it nice. Whoa. Okay. If you want to make it even a little bit, you can do like this. You can use your hands. There, I think on the bottom here. Not really even to the roof, just 1 inch. Need to cut 50 inches. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to cut. There. For safety, use the eyeglass or use the goggle just to protect yourself, protect your eyes. This is how you cut. Nice and smooth. You're gonna put that one overlap the other one. Then the cover here. Alright. So the same. Kaya nga si Madiskarteng Tatay, kailangan madiskarte tayo. Kaya, yan, total, lagyan naman na. Oh, other way around. Oh my goodness, it doesn't work. There. Yeah. I need to adjust this. Right there. That's done. Okay, then put silicone. just to seal this. Nice. Use your hands. Tapos ipantayin nyo lang. Para pagpantay, just use your hands. Yan, maganda na. Okay, that's it. Kung itong video na ito ay nakakatulong sa inyo, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe na rin. Okay? Bye-bye. This is Madiskarteng Tatay. Have a nice day.